Recently, the Pakistan Air Force took off 5 F-17 Thunder fighter jets and rushed to Turkey to participate in the Anatolian Eagle 2021 joint exercise organized by the Turkish military from June 21st to July 2nd. The Turkish military stated to the outside world, the overall goal of this exercise is to not only improve the training level of joint operations, but also to share knowledge, capabilities and experience. Chinese media Sohu was excited on this news and published a report that Indian Air Force became unconfident on Rafale jets after this exercise. According to Sohu, during the period, the Pakistan Air Force and the 4 Rafale fighters of the Qatar Air Force in Turkey, to MiG-29 fighters of the Azerbaijan Air Force, including the F-16 fighters of the Turkish Air Force competed in the same field and exercised in the air. The MiG-29 fighter jets and Rafale fighter jets were imported from Russia and France at a high price by the Indian government. The Pak-Qatari relationship is very strong, so the Indian Air Force is very worried that the Qatari Air Force pilots will have very close private contact and will secretly inform the relevant technical parameters of the legal Rafale fighter jets to the Pakistani Air Force pilots, the Chinese media reported. India and Pakistan may have an air battle over Kashmir in the future, so that Pakistani Air Force pilots can contain the Indian Air Force's proud legal Rafale fighter attack, Sohu reported. But the Chinese media forget that in present days all the air forces arrange exercise with various air forces. Even Indian Air Force regularly exercises with US Air Force and get chances to evaluate F-16. That's not meant the Pakistani F-16 became useless against India. The Indian Air Force and Chinese PLA Air Force both operate Su-30. For this reason, the both Air Force will not use Su-30 against each other. Indian Forces Rafale and Su-30 MKI jets are customized specially for Indian Air Force. For this extra capabilities, India paid more than usual prices of these jets. So, the main secrets are remained as it is. Finally, air battle depends mostly on air tactics and strategy. Every air forces has different types of tactics and strategy. The air force with better tactics and strategy will win the air battle. So, Chinese media Sohu's excitement is mostly on false satisfaction. Thank you everyone for watching this video.